Today's video is a new one where I'll be showing you a mod that's special to our family. In the beginning, everything looks peaceful. From above, the city shines like a masterpiece. Lights glowing, streets perfectly aligned. A view so beautiful it almost feels unreal. But this isn't just a city, this is our world. From the sky you can see the details. Clean roads, smooth designs, perfect lighting. Every street feels alive. Every corner crafted with precision. This isn't random, but this is perfection. Our streets are more than just roads. They tell a story of power, of control, of presence. And the graphics, they're on another level. Reflections on the ground, lights bouncing off every surface, shadows moving with every step. Everything feels real, alive, cinematic. Our cars, sleek, aggressive, beautifully designed, every detail shines, from the body to the lights, moving smoothly through the streets like pure art in motion. On the motorcycles, fast, sharp, powerful. Their engines echo through the city, a sound that feels alive, a sound you don't just hear, you feel. As for the weapons, not just tools, but perfectly crafted pieces, detailed, realistic, powerful in presence, and their sound, clean, sharp, immersive. Every shot echoes through the city, not chaotic, but controlled, precise. This is not just gameplay. This is an experience, a world where beauty meets power, where design meets perfection, where every detail matters. Soft cinematic music rises, and as the sun rises, the city glows even more. Calm, beautiful, breathtaking. But behind that beauty, there's strength, standing seen. The logo appears slowly, glowing, with the words, "This is not just a family, this is a masterpiece."